doing a review and mini tutorial on the Outre quick weave half wig. I did get the style Ashani. It is a half wig, but I'll be styling it today as a headband wig, which I'm pretty sure you guys know is a pretty popular style now. This is synthetic hair, but you can find the headband wigs in virgin hair, human hair, but I just kind of wanted to try this out to see how it works for me. So this is the packaging that it came in. It was $20. I got it on Amazon Prime. I have seen other people say that you can find this for $15, maybe at a beauty supply store or on different hair websites. But yeah, if you need something quick to just come to your door, you know, simple and easy, get it on Amazon. All right, so yeah, I got it in number 2, and the packaging does say that you can put heat on it up to 400 degrees. I don't really plan on doing that. I just want it to be low maintenance, a quick go-to in between hairstyle. So I just slicked my real hair back into a mini ponytail and put on this wig cap. I've already laid my edges. So let's go ahead and take it out and see what we have. All right, so this is the wig right out of the packaging. It has a long comb up front, and in the back it has another comb to secure the back part. There are adjustable straps here. All right, and so far the hair looks pretty good. It's not too shiny. And those are the ends. Yeah, the lesson looks pretty good for $20. Okay. All right, so let's go ahead and put her on and see what it looks like. Okay, so this is the wig right out of the packaging. I haven't really like fluffed it up or anything, but I am liking this, okay? I haven't put a headband on or anything just yet. So, you know, if you wanted to leave some of your hair out and kind of blend it in, yeah, I like it. Nice and full and soft. It's not itchy. Looks very natural, but you know, it's a little extra, giving a lot of volume. Okay. Okay, girl. Okay, Shani. All right, so I want to try 2 different styles of headbands. I want to try, you know, the bejeweled headbands, and then the fabric headbands that go all the way around, and see which one works better, if they both work. So yeah, I'll be right back and we'll check those out. Okay, so first I'm going to try this one. This is like my favorite headband. It's so blingy and pretty and extra. All right, but it is one of the ones that, you know, don't go all the way around. Sometimes, depending on the style, these don't always sit that flat, but we're going to check it out and see. So I'm just going to put her on right there, and I like it. Oh, wait. Okay, let's push her back a little bit. But yes, that works. Okay. Very much so giving what it's supposed to give. All right, so that's that headband. I probably adjust it and push this back some so you can see more of my edges, but yes, I like it. Okay, so now we're going to try a different one. I'm going to try this one. It's the elastic headband. See how this one looks. Okay, so this is the elastic headband that goes all the way around, and I think I am feeling this one a lot more because you don't have to worry about covering up that front piece or it sliding with the other headband. Okay, so yes, you can kind of put it to the side. You want to just do it to the back and make it big and curly to the front, to this side or this side. Okay, yes, I like this. So yes, honey, Outre Ashani wig, 2 thumbs up from me. I'm feeling this. This is very easy. Perfect for those summer days. If you want to go have a beach day or a pool day, you just need to pop something on. I would even do this on vacation, honey. Just get like 2 or 3 of them. For $20. Have a different curl pattern for every day. All right. So yes, I love this. But we're just gonna see how it lasts, you know. Like I said, it's only $20. We're gonna see how she holds up over a couple of days, and I'll come back and give you guys an update. But don't forget to hit that subscribe button and let me know what you guys think. And thank you for tuning in.